Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download MNT mobile banking application on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Once it's done, launch Open Play Store. Once you see the search box at the top of your Play Store, go ahead and type in MNT Bank and search. Look for this application and tap on the install button to begin downloading the MNT mobile banking application on your device. Now tap on the open button to open the app on your Android phone quickly and easily. So that is how you can easily download the MNT mobile banking application on your Android phone within a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.